Hello everyone, this is lesson number 12, HSK 2, and we will continue to learn new words. So let's quick repeat our last lesson. Meng, meng, it's door, gate or entrance. Why, foreign or outside. 自行车, 自行车, bike, bicycle. 羊肉, mutton or lamb or sheep meat. 好吃，好吃 tasty, delicious, about food. 面条，面条 noodles, and 打篮球，打篮球 to play basketball. So let's start. And the first word for today, 因为，因为，因为 because as since. Let's see. Or as you can say, in it's a reason, way, for. So for what reason? You can say because. Because this reason. But let's see examples. Because it's raining, I didn't go out. 因为下雨，我没出去。因为 because 下雨 it's to rain, so because it's raining. 因为下雨，I didn't 我没出去，出去 it's to go out. So true it's the true it's a movement to out. It's like as you can see, it's like a little plant go from down to up, like a sprout. But let's read again. 因为下雨，我没出去，我没出去。This one. Next example. He's tired because he went jogging. 他很累，他很累 is very tired. 因为 because for the reason of 他跑步了，他跑步了。跑步 as we already know, it's to jog, to run. 因为他跑步了 and left for past simple. So he's tired because he went jogging. 他很累，因为他跑步了。Next example, because I like it, I study it. 因为我喜欢，所以，no, it's 所以我学，所以我学。Let's see. 因为 because 我喜欢 I like it 我喜欢 and there is new word 所以 as you can see 2 in a row, so first and second one 所以 so it has some different translation. Let's see. So and so for so and therefore, that's why, thus, because, hence, so that's why I think it's a good one. Because I like it. That's why I study it. You can translate. 所以我学 so I study 学 is to study. This 所以 always not always often goes with after 因为 like in the second part of your sentence. 因为什么什么，所以什么什么。因为 something something, 所以 something something. Next one, 所以 it's so therefore. He's very busy, so he didn't come. Also could be without. Also we can let's see. 他很忙，很忙. He's very busy. 所以没来. So that's why he 没来 didn't come. 没来. But also you can say 因为他很忙, so because he's very busy, he's very busy. Also both is right. I'm hungry, so I want to eat. 我饿了，我饿了。I'm 饿 it's hungry. It's I think yes, it's a verb because but sometimes look could be with adjective. Let's it's mostly adjective. Sometimes it's to starve, to hunger, or just hunger. I think it's adjective. I'm hungry. It's hungry. 我饿了 I'm hungry. 所以想吃饭。想吃饭。So that's why I want to eat. To eat. Yeah. So I want to eat. Sometimes it's not like that's why, or it could be so, like, like here is reason, here is reaction to this reason, some consequences. Let's see next one. The weather is nice, so we are going out. 天气好，天气好。The weather is good. 所以我们出去，所以我们出去。That's why we go out. So we go out. So we can go out, or that's why we go out. Oh, also is right. 天气好，所以我们出去。Next one is 游泳。游泳 it's to swim. It's swimming. As you can see, both characters on the left has a water sign, water radical. So it's connected with water. For example, I like to go swimming in the summer. 夏天我喜欢去游泳。Here is like a noun, swimming. 夏天 it's summer. 夏天 in the summer 我喜欢去 I like to go to 游泳 it's swimming. He's swimming in the pool. 他在游泳池 here's like 池里游泳。So let's slowly. He is at or in the 他在游泳池里 so inside of something. Here's swimming pool. Because 游泳 it's to swim and 池 it's some place for with water. You can see also water character on the left part. It's pool, cell, pond, pooling, so pit, tank, so something with water. I think it's because on the right part, something. So not so important. Just remember this sign on the left, a radical key that's connected with water. 他在游泳池 he's at the swimming pool 里游泳 he's swimming. So he's swimming in the swimming pool. Or in English, yes. Swimming is good for my body. 游泳对我身体很好。游泳 swimming 对我身体 for my body 很好 is very good. Not just good. 身体 it's body and 对 for. Next one 经常 is frequently or regular. Regular also could be often. I think it sometimes could be often. Often, regular, frequently, always constant, day to day, recurrent. But I think often is good one. With some repeatance, with some regular schedule. I frequently ride a bike. 我经常骑自行车，自行车。我经常 I frequently, I regularly 骑 to ride something, for example, horse or bike. 骑自行车 ride a bike, ride a bicycle. 自行车。He often reads books in the evening. 他经常晚上看书。他经常 he he often he regularly no he is often 他经常晚上 it's evening 晚上看书 to read a book. So he often reads books in the evening. 他经常晚上看书。Next one, we often eat together. 我们经常一起吃饭。我们经常 we regularly 经常一起 together 一起吃饭 to eat. So 我们经常一起吃饭。Next one is pretty interesting. 恭敬 gong, it's a public or like common, you can say. 斤 it's measure unit in all China, just half a kilo. So 公斤 it's just we use kilograms. Gong it's for everyone use, for international. I bought 3 kilograms of apples. 我买了 I bought 我买了3公斤苹果。我买了 I bought 我买了 I bought 3公斤 3 kilograms of what? 苹果 of apples. So 我买了3公斤苹果 I bought 3 kilograms of apples. This fish weighs 2 kilograms. 这个鱼有2公斤重。So 这个鱼有 this fish has or you can say has 2公斤 2 kilograms of 重 it's like weight. In English, this fish weighs 2 kilograms. In Chinese, this fish has 2 kilograms of weight. Also, of 2 kilograms of heavy, but I think heavy is not. Weight is better. So, 这个鱼有2公斤重. So sometimes we need to separate in our intonation because this fish has 2 kilograms of weight. Because when we speak, we also use intonation. He ate a whole kilograms of mutton, of 羊肉。他1公斤羊肉都吃了。He 1公斤 1 kilogram of 羊肉 sheep meat, lamb. Dough, here's dough for all, or the whole, or just for emphasizing that it's everything what it was, the whole kilogram. 都吃了 everything also could be everything. He ate everything of this. 他1公斤羊肉都吃了。And next one, and I think it's last one, it's 姐姐 Here's like 子姐姐 elder sister. Elder, older, interesting. Older sister. Elder looks more vintage. My elder sister is tall and beautiful. 我的姐姐很高很漂亮。我的姐姐 my older sister, as you can see, it's on the left part. Also, key like woman on the right part. It's like and. So not like and, more like with or some connection. So I have connected with some woman because we are all nothing. Just woman is okay. It's already a good sign of what the character mean by itself. 我的姐姐很高. My older sister is very tall, or just tall. 很高，很漂亮，很漂亮。Very beautiful. 我的姐姐很高，很漂亮。My elder sister helps me with homework. 姐姐帮我做作业。姐姐 my sister 帮我 help me helps me 做 here's like to do 作业 also new word for us it's homework 作业 here's just helps me with homework but also could be helps me to do homework or helps me to finish my homework 我做作业 be careful this two different characters has the same pronunciation 做 with the fourth tone but here's 做 like to do something. Here's 做 more like job is made like made. Prepare, pretend, write, rest. They for really they similar. Sometimes they're similar, but the the grammar is different a bit, and the usage also different. Mhm. And last one, my elder sister teaches teaches at school. 姐姐在学校教书，no，教书教书，also 字教教。姐姐在学校，the older sister at school 在学校。教书 it's to teach, but 教 by itself also teach. 书 it's a book, so when you teach book, you just teach. I think it's also from ancient China. 教书 to teach. Also, if you remove, also teach, but with some more variety of translation, like show, tell, learn. But here is just teach. 教书 because 书 it's something connected with knowledge, something connected with what we need to know. So 姐姐在学校教书 to teach. And let's repeat words from this lesson. The first one is 因为 because as since, but we just this one because 因为 of course you can change as it's raining, since it's raining, I didn't go to school, so also it's possible. 所以 so therefore that's why. 游泳 to swimming. 经常 frequently, regularly, often. 公斤 kilogram 公斤。姐姐 elder sister 姐姐。Not so many words, but still need to learn. And that's all for this two lesson, I think, and I hope they will help. So see you in the next episode.